Good morning friends. Today we will study difference between brazing and soldering. These are the types of solid state welding. What is brazing and what is soldering? In brazing, melting point of filler material is greater than 427 degrees centigrade and it will be less than base material. Okay. And in soldering, melting point of filler material is less than 427 degrees centigrade and it will be less than the base material. Okay. Filler material is an alloy of copper and zinc, copper and aluminum, copper and Az. It is known as a spelter. And in soldering, filler material is PBSN and it is known as solder. And a strength of joint is more in brazing, and a strength of joint is less in soldering compared to brazing. Flux material is borax and boric acid, and flux material is zinc chloride and ammonium chloride. Joining of pipes to produce leak-proof joint in brazing, and in soldering for fabrication of electric circuit or PCB printed circuit boards. It means brazing is very more important than soldering. But this is not like that. Soldering is not important because in the electricity or in the electric wires we use solder to solder, and in pipes we use brazing to join the pipes, and we get leak proof joint in brazing. These are the difference between the brazing and soldering. These are very important. Generally in semester exam, one question of 7 marks is generally comes. So ये दोनों का difference मुझे पता ही होना चाहिए, and there are only 5 difference. Thank you for watching this video. For more video, so please subscribe my channel.